hear uh, uh,
Yeah, echo.
the echo or feedback rather.
Yeah, because I using the microphone, not using the headphone. Now I use a headphone.
Bitcoin price 14th of
Yes.
March it went up to
Can,
31,000.
so can you?
I please speak again.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you. Pretty soft though.
Yeah, it's over.
Yeah,
So let me check.
maybe louder or closer to the mic or something.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
This is very clear.
Yeah, check it. It's nice. Share the stream, the live stream. Yeah, it's look like this. Uh, yeah, we are on the live stream now, but
Yes.
I need to check the signal on YouTube. Yeah, we have been live on 1 minute ago, more than 1 minute ago. Okay, let's say hello everyone on this live stream early morning of Xeonbit channel. Yeah,
Hello,
and
everyone. Nice to see you all again. Today is Tuesday, 18, right? 18 of
I think April.
April. All right.
Yeah,
Good thing to tell you all. Uh, Bitcoin has broke through 31,000, even though now we're looking at 29,000 plus. On the 14th of April, which is 3 days after our last live stream, 2 p.m. Singapore time, it went up
yeah,
to 31,000. Then on the same day, about just after 3 p.m. No.
yeah,
Yes, 15th of April,
yeah.
1 a.m., which is just like maybe 3 p.m. to 1 a.m. That is like nearly 10 hours. 10 hours after it hit 31,000, it is back down to 29,000 plus, which is
Oh,
from then on. It actually went back up to 30,000 plus at some point as well. Yeah,
yeah.
so it was hanging around 30,000 until for the rest of the 15th of April. Then it's just going up and down until just yesterday he decided to go down. It's like, why? I thought Monday is always the one that goes up, but this time around it went up early and it come back down early. So today,
Yeah.
Tuesday, we are at 29,000 plus.
Oh, and a lot of people suggest that this is going to the altcoin season too. That means when the Bitcoin hit around 30,000, all the altcoin, not because alternative coin is going up. Yeah, we also can see some of the crypto coin. We see there's a green color. Um, that's mean when we see the price of the BTC go below 30,000, ETS is still trading above 2,000. Yeah,
Yes.
and BNB also the same. Uh, and uh, and we also have the altcoin. That means the other crypto will go up when the bitcoins go down. Okay, let's go to the detail of some of the article we want to share to you. Yeah. Um, uh, okay, let's share some of the article from Mr. Nicholas slide. Okay, could you share, Mr. Nicholas? Could you share to me some information you have got this morning?
This guy, this
yeah,
guy, I think about a couple of years back, or rather many years back, he hacked and stolen a lot of bitcoins,
yeah,
like 50,000 bitcoins kind of thing. At that time, it was 2012. 2012, the price of Bitcoin was very, very low.
yeah,
Yeah. So it was only in 2002, 2017 that the price went up to 20,000, right? Then after that, the price went back down again. Yeah. So, so during that period, this guy actually raked in so many Bitcoins. Of course, at the time, a lot of people thinking, it's just Bitcoin, you know. So until
yeah,
the price hit 20,000, everyone, wow, this guy stolen so many Bitcoins and it's worth so much. Yeah. So during the time that he hacked and stolen,
yeah,
the Bitcoin, those Bitcoin were just worth 620,000.
yeah,
Then after the price went up, it was worth billions of dollars.
yeah, 1 billion,
Yeah, so
1.5 billion. But
so these
I
1.5 billion
see,
are the ones that is being seized. So that means before that he already spent a lot already.
yeah. But when I see your information, the hacker was sent 1 year in the prison only.
Yeah,
Yeah,
only 1 year in prison, like only 1 year for that $3.4 billion. That sounds
yeah,
like good for him, you know.
yeah, yeah. This information I also saw in some of the news on the Telegram group. Yeah, is he has been hacked in the zero side,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
after that uh, he had been caught, and now it charged him only one year in prison. Yeah, uh, this new also can let us say um, uh, to think more about this to tell us stay more in the crypto area, and you will get profits. And then uh, we we want to see some of the good information about Bhutan crypto news.
Right.
Yeah, uh, if follow up with the shell outdoor when I
So
see
this,
the
yeah,
country accept
Bhutan.
crypto.
Yeah, Bhutan. I select this picture because Bhutan is like they are landlocked country up in the Himalayas, very on a very high altitude. So the population is very small. So at one time their GDP is measured by gross national happiness. So in other words, they are known as the happiest people on earth. Yeah. So
Yeah,
for Bhutan, uh, just give me a few seconds. Let me see how big is their population. Bhutan population 777,000 people, right? So it's large land area. Uh, their economy is largely on agriculture, forestry, and they are only just supporting their infrastructure just began supporting cell phones just 2 decades ago. 2 decades is like what, 2002, 2003? 2002, there's a lot of things already happened in 2002 and 2003, right? Yeah,
yeah,
so this Bhutan, they have $2.9 billion sovereign investment they, there was a customer of this BlockFi and Celsius, which was, of course, this sovereign investment arm was never publicized. They are never publicly disclosed until something happened to this BlockFi and Celsius. Yeah.
yeah,
So, of course, they have this group holdings,
yeah.
and they manage the portfolio of the homegrown asset and all this kind of thing.
Oh,
Let me go to the article uh, in Forbes to because the information is quite a lot. So, yeah. So Of course, when nothing happens, nobody knows. When something happens, everyone knows. Oh, they are part of. They are also this BlockFi customer. So suddenly, everyone knows that Bhutan is holding so much in crypto. So of course, at the time, they are trying to get back, trying to reclaim back their losses. Of course, there's millions and millions of population of 700 over 1,000 up in the mountains. There's a lot of money, Yeah. So let's hope that things get better for them. I think, I mean, if they get back their money, it's a good thing. If they don't, then they are probably no longer the happiest people on earth. No?
Yeah,
Yeah.
because I also think this information mean that the government of Bhutan they invest in the block they invested in the block fee and the Celsius, and
Yes.
now the two exchange bankrupt and they got stuck with the money investing in the inside. Yeah. Oh, it's really not good news for them.
Yeah.
However, this just one way news, not official announced by the yeah. Okay, and then let's go to another article because I see in the article also from the open link. Okay, it's also related to the Bhutan. It's also say that they invest in Bitcoin. They invested in Bitcoin and Rock Holding, yeah, because Holding was slow having investment bankrupt, yeah. This information also still the same. It says the same about the Bhutan invested in Bitcoin. And it don't mention much about how how much money they had lost. Yeah, it's also shared to us withdraw some little of amounts and yeah here 2.9 billion in the arm of the company. Yeah. Okay, and the other article, this is a really funny picture about Bitcoin. Yeah. Um, it still need time to do exercise and have the bullish again back to 30,000. Yeah. Some
Yeah.
analysts say
Yeah.
the Bitcoin
Yeah. I
may go
think for
down.
people who are impatient, they need to be a little bit more patient because Bitcoin has come a long way from the ups and down until today, now going back up to 30,000. I think it is worth the wait. Yeah.
Yeah, and some people say this going to the altcoin season too. Yeah, it's so fast when we hear after Bitcoin go up uh, just within a week, and then it's jump to the altcoin season. Maybe they they want a fast money, yeah, to switch after the altcoin season. It will jump back to the Bitcoin season, and after that we see one of the uh, uh, a few years ago, maybe I saw the Adidas they invested in NFT, and now we see the Nike. This one of the good news because they don't say anything about the crypto. They just say about the NFT. Yeah, they will do the airdrop in NFT. If you want to receive the airdrop, just follow the link of the article I I share inside. Yeah, just sign up and beware of some of the scam because they may send an email to you. So the article shared to us a lot of information that that we can have a hope to try the airdrop of Nike. Yeah, it still have time. we also still have a chance to receive the airdrop once you, to receive the airdrop from Nike. Yeah. Uh, some of the NFTs about the photo of the sticker and some.
Yeah,
Maybe if you are a fan of the basketball, you want to try it. Yeah.
Air Force One is one of the series of their Nike shoes. Yeah. So perhaps because they are American company, that's why they also want to use the word Air Force because president's airplane is called Air Force One.
Yeah. And they ask the user to vote with with some of the line in of Nike. Yeah. And and it said that it means you have only 1 in 3 chance to get the airdrop, to get a drop. Yeah. Some of the information down here, and how you, how will I know if I got the airdrop? Yeah, you will get the airdrop confirmation email from the website
Mm,
and blah blah blah, something like that. Yeah, just following up the information here, and you may have a chance. Yeah. Next one is about the uh, yeah, SEC. Yeah, it's really funny because I hear the SEC now charge for the big track, sue big track. Yeah, and now I hear the news about the CEO of no, the chairman of SEC, the Gary Gensler, also have in the trouble because he also suing the coin. That means he share information of some of the coin, but not the security. Yeah, that's why this time he may try to make the people think his good to try to protect the people, but uh, I also don't know because I see SEC doing a lot of things uh, to um, to uh, to make the crypto grow up harder and harder, and now crypto and Bitcoin is still alive. Yeah.
yeah.
Uh,
They have tried to make it more difficult for crypto to move forward and progress.
yeah,
But
yeah,
after so much up and down, crypto is still here and still moving and still growing. Eh?
yeah, yeah. I also hope in the future, yeah, we also see some of that mean some government will have the regulation clear, more clear about crypto and some of the blockchain project, like some the other country, they say okay, we ban crypto, but we don't ban blockchain. Yeah. So it's wide and clear line that people can following up and do it easily. Yeah. Sometimes with the rate scale, this means it's not the the regulation is a good, area for some of the projects, some of the thing doing flexible, not good and not bad. Yeah, just making the project roll up. Yeah. Uh, we also have the crypto, the blockchain, the this morning I see the news about the crypto going down, but we also can see they say the crypto stock and lower. That means the stock of the crypto still going lower than. Let's check the stock in uh, Dow Jones
Dow
today.
Jones.
Yeah, in Google we see here the Dow Jones is going up, but some of the stock of crypto is still low, like micro strategy and some the other stock. Let me see, open data market business Dow Jones index today. Let me check the MSTR MSTR MicroStrategy stock. I see the price still go low. Yeah, we can see is uh, uh, lower 6.21%. Yeah, 6.21% is go lower. Uh, it means that uh, sometimes the Bitcoin of the crypto market is following up, go together um, with the traditional market, and we also can see the share of the let me check the let me uh, um uh, let me, that means the total amount of the crypto, if we compare with the other area, is still very low. Like like let me Bitcoin is uh, only one. Let me see the market cap. Yeah, the market cap of Bitcoin only around $1 trillion. Yeah, $1.25 trillion. Um, the total market cap of the global crypto market 1.25. But if we compare the market cap with the property, with stock, with cash, is Bitcoin is crypto is very low. Um, let
Yeah,
me
of course, still far off if you want to compare to all these large fixed assets,
market
fixed asset
cap
market.
compare compare with traditional market cap. We because I saw the information, some of the slide is say the when we compare Bitcoin market cap. Ah, this compare between the Bitcoin market cap with some of the company. Yeah, here is maybe this one is for long times ago. This way flip to 10 cent. Yeah, the market cap. Yeah, Bitcoin is now is one by this information is 1.025 trillion. Yeah, it compare it's higher than the Tesla, Tencent, Facebook. Yeah, but
Mm.
lower than Apple. Yeah, some the other company. Um, it's so that we still have. That means the cake is still very big for us to jump in. Here we can see the market cap of the old money stock market is really large. With the Bitcoin market cap is very low. Yeah, this slide is really useful. This information on the figure of latest available on September 2018. Yeah, but still have some of value for us to see the market cap of the Bitcoin is still like this very small than the other market cap. With the world is 7.8 trillion. The stock market is 67.5 trillion. Yeah, really large. Okay, let's go to some of the article we see. we collect all the
In
yeah
a stock market on a world level, 60 over trillion dollars. That
yeah
that is just a small fraction of the assets available out in the market. In fact, the real estate is the one that is really worth a lot more money. So if there's something going to be something bad that's going to happen, and if it happens to the real estate in the US, then you're going to see something very serious because once it's just like 2008, when that Lehman Brother crisis happened, it was all because of all this what do you call it, the the loan thing, right? Yeah,
yeah. So if like that uh, it means we see the money in the property and or some in the stock market still there because they don't want to lower the price of the property and uh, some of the bond because if they lower the price it means the total value of the company will go lower and they don't want this because that company look like some of the if the if that company is the 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 cash cow or the good company is were born
yeah,
is what is having taken over by the government will not allow it going to bankrupt. Yeah, like like we also can see some of the uh, biggest uh, property company.
yeah,
Also the same in China. I also can see the Evergrande still have been bailed out by the company
yeah.
by the government. Yeah, because the
Oh, by the way,
government will not let it going down. Yeah,
yeah. By the way, you see this all money 86.5 trillion, right? So this is just talking about the all money that is floating in the market on a global scale. But if you go to Google, you Google the real estate global world, it says there the total value of global real estate is about what 326.5 trillion in
yeah,
20. Yeah, so that's kind of like it's not too difficult to imagine how
yeah,
how big. Of course, a lot of all these real estate people living in it and all, but quite a large bulk of all these real estate are commercial real estates as well. Yeah, so and those are the ones that's raking in a lot of money and spinning in a lot of money as well. Yeah.
I also see this photo. This is sharing the bubble. We also can see how big and large of the bubble in U.S. Strategy bonds, U.S. stock.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The,
it's
this is
really
that
yeah
is some of the reason why a lot of countries, a lot of governments are selling away their U.S. stocks, treasury bonds, whatever. Yeah.
yeah
So in fact, China has reduced their bonds holdings to under to below the trillion level. Yeah. Now it's I think about 800 over a billion. So I think they are still planning to throw some away. Because the U.S. dollar has been printing, U.S. government has been printing a lot of U.S. dollar. So they are just trying to get rid as much U.S. dollar as possible, and they are actually buying a lot of gold right now.
yeah
Yeah, so see, there's it's kind of like there's a shift in how people are looking at money now, how governments are looking at money. That's more important because how you look at money doesn't really matter so much, but how the governments are looking at money, I think
yeah
that makes a lot of difference because when they start to buy gold and ditch, sell away the bonds that they hold, especially the US bonds, yeah, you know that they are planning something ahead, you know. Yeah, because the US dollar, a lot of people say, oh, US dollar will just crash and disappear. No, they'll never. It's just that in terms of be staying and remaining as the reserve currency, it will just keep falling. Yeah, because how would you say? A lot of countries are talking about creating their own regional cryptocurrency, or rather, regional currency is more rather.
I
Yeah,
also hear last week Warren Buffett, yeah, also share some information about the crypto is gambling or the
yeah.
casino, and after he twist, the market is going down, yeah, and uh, and a lot of people defend about this because some of the crypto nowadays still support the um, they want support that the Bitcoin is not the gambling, it's not a casino. But if we follow up with what Warren Buffett say, uh, crypto is gambling and casino, and we also can share that if you stay in the crypto, if you stay in the casino, you will have more and more profits. Yeah. 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 Some in this area is not for the people want the quick money. Yeah. If you stay long enough in the market, you may think about um, uh, uh, it means think further. Don't think that's how much we can get immediately. We should know in the long term. Yeah, we can get it. We can get the profits. Mostly every 4 years, we see the Bitcoin halving, and we see the big change in the crypto market. Like 2020, we also had a live stream 3 years ago, yeah, to share about before the Bitcoin halving, before the US president election, and then now a lot of things changed. Yeah, Bitcoin go up and down, and now it's just a little bit correction,
Yeah.
and uh, we hope in the near future we see some of the good news from some of the government uh, have the policy with the money flowing, because uh, it depends on how money flow, and now the money flow out to the Bitcoin and go to the altcoin. The money from the altcoin is go to the stock and the other thing. Yeah, it will make the uh, it will make all the area, all the investment asset roll up together. Yeah. Okay, we also think it's time for us to say goodbye on our audience. It's early morning. If you have any information, just let us know. Okay, Mr. Nicholas, you want to share something with our audience
Okay.
today?
Yes. Thank you all for joining us. We hope you guys continue to do all your research pertaining to the coins or token that you are planning to invest in. So we are not giving you advices. We are just trying to study the market together with you. Yeah. So we'll see you again in our next live stream.
Yeah, see you.